like one favorite memory would be that our class would always have a pool party after tests first year.
You know, we've met so many amazing professors, and I think that had an impact. The work ethic, striving for excellence, made a huge difference.
One of my most memorable occasions here are the friendships that I've made, and now coming back to reunions, getting to see so many of these people that I haven't seen in 45 years.
I love the energy, the friends that come back, having great conversations, and I love talking about the school.
I feel incredibly connected with our med school class. It's, you know, we've all gone through med school residency, a lot of us have done fellowship, and I feel like my med school friends are probably my favorite group from all those stages, so it was important to come back, reconnect with everyone, see everyone's kids.
This is Nate, he's my son, and he's not yet matriculated.
What drew me here was having the third year to take on research endeavors as well as other personal growth endeavors, and I'm currently doing a third year because I love my first one so much.
Being here at Duke was obviously a great time and rewarding and motivated my career, so glad to be back.
Oh, I just have so many friends from med school. I wanted to see them all again.
Being in the primary care leadership track was definitely a favorite.
My first rotation was surgery. The chief of surgery had us over for a dinner the night before, and I was amazed because he knew everybody's name already.
We are having a great time.
So much fun. Go Duke!